Lions and wolves are two of the most iconic predators in the animal kingdom, each with unique traits and social structures that make them fascinating subjects of study. Lions, often referred to as the kings of the jungle, primarily inhabit the savannas and grasslands of Africa. Wolves are highly social animals that live in packs, which typically consist of a breeding pair and their offspring. Their social structure is matriarchal, with the alpha female leading the pack. Communication is vital for wolves, and they use vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to convey messages to one another. Wolves are known for their incredible endurance and stamina, often traveling long distances in search of food. They can cover up to 30 miles in a day, showcasing their adaptability to various environments, from forests to tundras. Wolves primarily hunt large ungulates, such as deer and elk, using strategic techniques to target the weakest members of a herd. Unlike lions, wolves do not rely on sheer strength. Instead, they use their agility and pack dynamics to outmaneuver larger animals. This cooperative hunting strategy allows them to thrive in diverse habitats, making them one of the most adaptable predators in the wild. When comparing the two species, it becomes clear that their hunting strategies differ significantly. Lions rely on their size and power, often ambushing prey in groups, while wolves use endurance and teamwork to bring down larger animals. In terms of physical characteristics, male lions are generally larger and heavier than wolves, with males weighing between 330 to 550 pounds, compared to wolves, which typically weigh between 50 to 110 pounds. This size difference gives lions an advantage in direct confrontations, but wolves' agility and pack dynamics can turn the tide in their favor. While lions and wolves do not typically share the same habitats, competition for food can occur in areas where their ranges overlap. Both species are territorial and will defend their hunting grounds fiercely. In a hypothetical encounter between a lion and a pack of wolves, the lion would likely rely on its strength and size to intimidate its opponents. However, a pack of wolves would use their numbers and strategic planning to outsmart the lion, potentially surrounding it and using their agility to their advantage. The outcome of such an encounter would depend on various factors, including the environment and the number of wolves involved. Despite their differences, both lions and wolves are remarkable predators that showcase the diversity of survival strategies in the animal kingdom. Their unique adaptations highlight the various ways animals have evolved to thrive in their respective environments. Understanding these magnificent creatures allows us to appreciate the complexity of their behaviors and the roles they play in their ecosystems. As apex predators, both lions and wolves are essential to maintaining the balance of their habitats, influencing the populations of other species and contributing to the overall health of their environments. In conclusion, lions and wolves are two of nature's most fascinating predators, each embodying different strengths and social structures. Lions represent power and pride dynamics, while wolves exemplify intelligence and teamwork. Their differences and similarities provide insight into the complexities of predator-prey relationships and the intricate balance of life in the wild. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of lions and wolves, and we hope you gained a deeper understanding of these incredible animals.